Hi, Bean Beauties. This is Tootie Bean. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness. I, I am at a loss for words. I was like, this is like only half on the table. I'm trying to get to where you can get the entire picture of how big this box is. This box is humongous. I don't know how big this box is. It's like, hello. So this unboxing comes from the Real, and this unboxing is totally blamed on Birkin Boy, Craig, aka Birkin Boy on Instagram. They were trying to make him a YouTuber, and Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack are the most recent ones. I don't know what I got into. Did Dee Dee read the measurements? She did. Did the measurements feel like they're this big? No. So I don't know. I may not be keeping this. Craig, if this is huge, this may be coming to you. I'm not sure. After I've had a little while to play with her and stuff, I'm not sure. So, look at this. Oh my goodness. And here it is. I do always, from the Real, I always pay the extra $5. I gotta stand up to take this out. The extra $5 to, gosh, it's heavy, for the special box, the special extra box, because I want the protection. Otherwise, they just put it in a plastic bag and they oh, this doesn't even look like it's clothes on there, but this is the box. So okay, this feels a little bit better. This feels a little bit better. So the bigger box was to accommodate this box. So this is how it comes. I don't like that they do the black tissue. I wish it was white tissue, but they had the black with the white, only because the black worries me as far as transfer and stuff. Here is what it looks like inside. Okay, it feels better. Okay, it feels better. It feels better. They actually, a lot of places tend to stuff their I don't know where to put this box. This is a good box though. I don't want to break it. Okay, there. The color you can kind of peek through. So let's see. Okay, now I'm a little bit less anxious and a little bit more excited. Oh, let me turn it around. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's a Real tag. An expert behind every item. This item is a final sale and is not returnable. I wasn't going to return it. I got it at a great price. Yes, it is. I believe it's called the boxer bag. And I just like this color. So, okay, this feels a lot better. Okay. All right. I'm not so crazy with the measurements. I was like, okay, so this feels better. Okay, Craig, so yeah, unless it's just too heavy for me, you and Jackie are out of the running for right now. But let's just do a let's see, can I do it from here? Yeah, because it's a little big. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and this is a pocket. It is a magnetic snap pocket, or is it just it's magnetic. Here is the other side. We're back to the front. Here is the top view, and let's see, here's the inside. What's inside? Oh, here is a little strap where because the ideal way is and it's probably how they should have boxed it. This is how to store them. It's best to store them to keep the handles together and to keep them from becoming misshapen like this. is how this is supposed to go. So let me take this off. This bag is totally top handled from what I remember. Yeah, there is no this is not a crossbody bag. So this definitely would be a bag where I would be going somewhere sitting down. It's not anywhere that I would be walking or anything like that. I'm have categorized my silhouettes and things now. Now I'm trying to remember, down here on the bottom we did have a little bit of some kind of discoloration down here. It looks like it could be like a watermark down here, but it was on the bottom, so I was okay with that. There was, I'm trying to think, it was any other call outs on the outside. It had some like dirtiness here on the beige part. And so this is color block, which, you know, has this is beige. This is a very light red, and then here is like a darker pink blush color here. The tag here, where you can put your information in case it gets lost, is also in the pink. Here is the front pocket, which I do like that, and it's also snap, so you don't have to unbuckle everything, which is nice. I liked that. So all of this does not have to come unbuckle. So this is basically for aesthetic purposes. Now the inside, let me show you all the inside. The inside had some dirt in the inside. They had marked this down like it said clearance to last chance item, but it's not super dirty. I mean, there's not, you know, huge stains, but I'll try to zoom in on it. But there, you know, it's been worn, been used. So it has this back pocket here. It's a zipper pocket. Nice size. Definitely the pocket. My cell phone is a iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it definitely fits horizontally there, and this is what it looks like if you have it upside, you know, vertical. It can zip back up. So on the front you also have a zipper pocket here, and the phone also fits horizontally there. If you put it vertically, you can put it vertically in the pocket as well too. Be easy access. You know, you can't zip it up, but you have easy access to it. Underneath this zipper pocket, oops, is a slit pocket right here. I wonder if this comes out. No, it doesn't. There are two slit pockets here and here. So let's see. You can put the phone there, and it's and actually on both sides. So you have a choice as far as which little slit pocket you want it in. Also in the front here, they have the Creed and the branding. Have the Reed Krakoff label, and then they have the patch, which little patch in there, the orange patch. Well, it looks orange, but it's red. So we have all of that goodness there. It does have some weight to it, but I don't think it's, I'll have to definitely be careful with how I load it, and what kind of things I put in here. What fits is everything, including the kitchen sink with this one, I am sure. So let me see if I can tie this so that we can maybe, Yeah, I'll have to do this. So yeah, so definitely blaming Birkin Boy, Craig, Jackie for the Reed. How do you say it? Reed Krakoff? Krakoff? I'm not sure. For these, Jackie unboxed several of them, and I just fell in love with them. And Birkin Boy on Instagram has shown a couple of his as well too. So I just said, I got to get on the bandwagon. I got to get on the bandwagon. Yeah, bandwagon. Yes, I do. I really like this one. It is, like I said, a little bit bigger. The handles are a little bit misshapen. I'm hoping that I can get that back together, but I am going to put this on and after the video and stuff it and try to see if we can get it, you know, a little bit more in shape. But other than that, the inside being there, I will. Oh yeah, the price was incredible. I'll put the price up here somewhere. It was like an unbelievable price. Yeah, the Real had really marked this down significantly. So it was definitely one of those where like it wouldn't hurt to try. Would not hurt to try it. I'm not as scared as I was when I first opened it. Not as scared at all. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here. This is my first Reed Krakoff, my first read. How's that? My first read. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the next time. Love you.